I'm on my way to my hotel now to drop off my bags, and I saw this small tea store that sells matcha. I'm definitely going to check out this store when it's open because I love matcha. This cafe has some cool matcha based drinks, and the Earl Grey matcha is definitely calling my name. I've never tried that before. One of my goals for this visit to Sydney is to try as much matcha as possible. I'm on the hunt for a matcha drink that is better than one I can make at home, and currently I have not found one in my home city. Okay, moving on, I've dropped my bags off now and I'm on my way to try my first matcha of the trip. It's alright. I'm walking to my next food location because I've only had a matcha latte so far that I didn't end up finishing. I was planning to have food at Edition Roasters, but nothing really caught my eye, and I did have a cafe in mind that I really wanted to try that I found through Instagram and TikTok. This is a small cafe called Canham House, and they sell Asian-inspired baked goods. They seem to be particularly known for their honey-laid cake, which is what I came to try. I'm pretty sure they also sell matcha drinks, but that won't be my focus here. There are so many delicious looking pastries and cakes on display, and it looks like they even have pandan custard hot cross buns, which look really tasty. But I have my mind set on the honey laid cake, and at this point I've been thinking about this cake since before I left for Sydney, and I also want to have a savoury item because I haven't had any savoury food yet. Okay, I ended up ordering a ham and cheese scroll and the famous honey laid cake, of course. But before I eat, and no matter how hungry I am, food photos always come first because I love looking back at my camera roll. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking now and enjoy the food and my written commentary. I'm walking back into the city now and I don't really have any plans. I kind of just want to check into my hotel because I'm kind of tired from all the walking, but I still have 3 hours until I can check in. I know the Rocks markets are open right now. They're open every Sunday, so that's where I'm heading now. I left the markets and ran into this exhibition which looked pretty interesting from the outside. The exhibition was quite small, so I didn't spend a lot of time here. And in all honesty, despite me saying the exhibition seemed interesting, exhibitions and museums are not really my thing. So unfortunately, I got bored pretty fast and left. Right, I finally checked into my hotel room and here's a quick iPhone shot of the room. It's kind of really nice. I don't usually book a hotel room this nice, for those wondering. I just had the opportunity to book this room this time, so I went for it. Anyway, I'm having some of my leftovers from Canham House because I'm hungry from all the walking around I did. And I'm quickly recharging my devices before I head out again because I don't want to sit around in a hotel room. My food came insanely fast for how many people there were, probably within 2 minutes of me ordering. This pineapple bun has 2 fat slabs of butter inside, which is exactly how I like it. Gotta take some shots first because I like looking back at my camera roll. And these are the shots in question. I was just about to take a bite out of my pineapple bun, but then my rice dish arrived. This rice dish has curry beef brisket, chicken fillet, spam, and fried egg. I got this because of the variety of protein in this dish and I wanted to taste a bit of everything. I'm digging into the pineapple bun first while it's still warm, so enjoy these clips of me eating. Ended up eating the rest of my food off camera and took away the rest. Thank you for joining me, and that's all for today.